phone can have me a run all about. And I don't know me I say Nikki. And if Nikki don't want me to say her, it's okay. That can be arranged. The fuck? What the jealousy for? That's why I see her shoot me up, Blamdem. For a girl will help push your career till you reach, which by you reach with a little sucker came out. You shouldn't ramp with me there and then have the audacity to come and talk about it. Yeah? But it been a pray. And I say, oh, Blamdem, I move some message Rosalie like 100 times. I say, tell Blamdem for add me in my box. Never know things did that plot behind my back where I don't know. Come talk no big old girl. Come out, come blood clot talk about it. Sucky fowler. You have a crush and see no in them belly. Cute. Him change why I deflect the blood clot store feet look like see a prank. It wasn't no prank. Me have done for my WhatsApp. It wasn't no prank. It is what it is. Listen, one time I in a Blamdem car. When Blamdem see, listen, Blamdem come pick me up and them park up right under the cool shade. And I want like a parking spot right there, so cause we saw the place there. I where the Brenda she go do her birthday time. And we there for one good little minute there they attack. And blood clot Blamdem get a phone call. And when Blamdem get a blood clot phone call, the phone go up on the car speaker. You want to hear the tranny? I asked him when they or it take so long for come. The story never changed, Batty boy, because I saw it stay from day one. Yeah, and when me look over and the phone, I see a man in wig. That voice, we're not idiot. We are not idiot. I'm sorry, I never capture the voice because I love for blood clot playback things that make people hear, you know. Yeah, I like for playback things that make people hear. Don't call me name like a blood clot, shy bowers and batty hypocrite, Blamdem. You're going to me never cuss you and tell you this already. When I come out with the picture the first time, I hit me say my story never change. So you know me not making up nothing. Go away and show them your emotion. You like man. You like man, Blamdem. Tell the people them you like man and you like dick. And you like to give dick and take it. Go suck your mother and call me name. And tell her like for me. You have things about me and send your bumbo blood clot request. When you know me over here, I'm 2 and then busy I clean my meat. One man dey on my blood clot phone attack. See it ya? You not go hear it. You not go hear it. One thing God no left the world without a blood clot witness. Bow cat Blamdem. See it ya? Yeah. You hear? You hear him? I not send no request. After him send the request to me. I was all in a conversation with somebody. I was cleaning my meat with my 2 hands and my mouth was talking with the person on the phone. I was still on live. Liar, suck pussy boy, and tell the lie for me. You nothing. Blamdem, remember me help Bill your bitch. And me can pump out your blood clot ashes too. Go suck out your mama. And go your brighty. Bitch, one time bling a Artina use your member me take you up like Jesus no blood clot. So all you ever want size up with me never care, me never give a fuck about none of you and your crowd yet. Cause I know this media. I've been with them for a while, they cannot tame. Oh. Worse than I have nothing for all the crowd more than suck your mother. Go look at work. Junker, go look at work and you need for go look at blood clot work. Cause you come here, you're not doing no different from what them I do. Say it make sense? Go suck your mother. Go run up in your mama and buck in a big pussy. Don't tell a lie for me, cause you're not nobody.